everybody, welcome to my channel Grains and Beans. So today in this video we are going to make restaurant style Paneer Lababdar, for which I'm going to first add some cooking oil. I will let the oil heat for some moment. When the oil is hot enough, I will be adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Then I'll be adding 4 pieces of cardamom or elaichi, cinnamon stick and some cloves or long. Then I need to just fry the spices just for 1 minute till it turns a bit brownish. Then to this oil I will be adding 3 medium-sized chopped onions. First I need to fry the onions just for 1 or 2 minutes till it turns translucent. So it has been approximately 1 minute, and as you can see that now the onions have turned translucent. So to this now I will be adding 4 chopped tomatoes. In Paneer Lababdar, tomatoes are the main thing that will bring the restaurant kind of taste. So you need to put more tomatoes than onions. So I have put 3 onions medium sized and 4 tomatoes. So you need to fry this really well until it turns a bit mushy, and then you can just add 2 green chilies. You can add green chilies according to your taste. So I'm just adding 2 because I don't need the lababdar to be really spicy. Now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt. So after adding the salt, you can just cover the lid and keep it like this for approximately 1 minute so that the tomatoes cooks really fast. So now it has been approximately 1 minute, and now I'm just removing the cover and let's check the tomatoes. See, it has become so soft. So now I'm going to fry the spices till the whole water is totally absorbed. So now as you can see that the tomatoes are almost cooked. So at this stage I'm going to add some whole cashews and some dried melon seeds. So now we need to cook this a bit more so that it releases all its oil, and then we'll proceed towards the next step. So now as you can see that the spice have released all its oil, so I'll now turn off the flame and let the spice cool down for approximately 15 minutes. After the spices have cooled down completely, then I'll add the spice to a mixing jar. Then I'll add a very little amount of water, and then I need to blend this spice to a very smooth paste. So you can see how smooth the paste has come out. So you need exactly this consistency. Okay, so now I'll take the same pan where I have cooked the spices, and now I will add some butter. So now to this I will add 1 teaspoon crushed garlic and 1 teaspoon ginger paste. You need to fry the ginger and garlic properly so that the raw smell is gone. So now the ginger and garlic is fried well. So now to this I will add the spice paste. Okay, so whatever spice was left in the jar, I have added a very little amount of water, and then I'll add this to the main paste. So now we need to fry this paste on medium flame for 2 minutes. If you want a very vibrant color in your lababdar, so you can also add a half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder to it. So now as you can see that there is no more water left in the pan. So now we will be adding the paneer cubes. Mix the paneer with the spice paste properly. So now finally I'll be adding approximately 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. I'll just crush it a bit and add. And then mix it with the spice and the paneer. So now all the ingredients are added and now we need to cook this for minimum 3 minutes, and in case you feel that this is becoming really dry, so you can add a bit of water but not much, because you need a very creamy lababdar consistency. So now my lababdar is ready, and now I'll be proceeding towards the step that will give you the perfect restaurant flavor. And for that I'm taking a steel bowl and I'm placing a really hot charcoal on it, and then I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of ghee. And as soon as I add the ghee in the charcoal, it will instantly emit smoke, and then I'll immediately cover the lid and also cover any opening on the lid, and then I'll rest it like this for 5 minutes, and then my dish will be totally ready. So guys, this is how my final paneer lababdar looks. Just discard this charcoal, and now let's proceed towards the plating of the lababdar.